Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you install Oracle VirtualBox inside your computer system. Let me show you. I'm assuming that you all guys know about VirtualBox. I mean, why we use it. For those guys who don't know about VirtualBox, then for them I want to say one simple line that inside VirtualBox we can create another machines like whatever you want, Linux distribution, Ubuntu, CentOS, etc., or any Windows machines 7, 8, 8.1, etc. You see in this image. Mm, I mean, in a single computer, you virtualize its disk and install another OS inside VirtualBox. You can create one or more machines inside VirtualBox, but that all depends on your system configurations. So let's start. You need to go. You need to go browser. Here you need to type download VirtualBox for Windows and hit enter. Here you see this icon, or you can go with this original website. Let me click on this. Here you choose which platform you are using in your system. I'm using Windows. I'm Windows host. If you're using any Linux distribution, then you need to click on Linux distribution. I'm using Windows, so I'm click on Windows host and it will start. Yes, it is 103 MB its size. We need to wait. As you see, downloading is since running. We need to wait a little bit more. It's still running. Depends upon your internet speed. Yeah. As you see, our downloading is successful. Now we need to go inside downloader. See virtual. Now install it properly. Double click on it. Click on next. Go with default. Next. Great. You can choose according to need and go. Go with default. For now, go with default and click on install. Guys, I'm using VirtualBox inside this. My Windows 10 is working. I have that error network, but when you do this on original window, definitely you will not saw this error that saw here, networking issue. Okay guys, and click on finish. So this is the file Oracle VirtualBox. Click it here. Here are many features. It's very interesting, guys. Interesting. Here you can create new scenes here and type in. Let me show you some images. Let me show you. Mm, yeah, yeah. 1 minute. Mm, so this is the virtual box. Inside this guys has been created Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1. As same we do in next video. You guys, I will show you how we can create machine inside VirtualBox in our next video. We do it in next